Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, March 4th, 2009. Today we had a total of 9 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 27 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only and is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and free live chat room can be accessed via our website at www.eminijunkie.com. Okay guys, we opened up this morning right around 7:07:25, started getting a little bit of action to the upside, came down, and shortly after about 9:45 we actually got a signal to go short. That was a good signal that hit targets 1 and targets 2 for 13 ES ticks on the follow through. And we ended up trading back above our moving average, got a signal to go long. This was a little micro trade, but it did hit both targets 1 and 2 for 11 additional ES ticks. So we started off the morning right away with a couple of winners. Things were feeling good. Went down, filled our half gap, hit our pivot, traded off the pivot on a bounce. This was a strong bounce. We got a signal to go long, and that signal produced 11 additional ES ticks. Both targets were hit on that bounce. Traded back up through the opening price, up through the overnight highs, even traded over our highs from yesterday. That did provide some resistance. We did get a pullback there, you know, that looked like that was going to be a good move to the downside. We actually pulled back, and right here you can see we got a signal to go short, and that thing made a little head fake, hit our profit target 1 to the tick twice, never filled us, full stop out on that trade. So lost 14 ticks on that particular entry. Then we hit into our lunchtime dead zone chop. Didn't take any trades during this red session, which is the dead zone. Coming out of lunch, we actually had a nice signal pullback to go long. We got in that. First target was hit, and unfortunately this was such a large swing. Our profit target was way up there, and you know, the trade actually would have, had we been able to stay in it, would have hit our target, but again, we adjust our trailing stop, and after this first target was hit, we actually got taken out right here, and so we ended up losing 2 ticks on that trade. And at that point we got a signal to go short. First target was hit, no follow through to the downside, so again we were stopped out for 2 additional ticks. On the retrace of that stop out, we got a signal to go long. That signal actually hit both targets 1 and targets 2 for 12 ticks. So one thing I want to kind of talk about right here, you know, here was 3 rapid fire signals, and using this strategy and this approach, you know, by taking that target, even when you're wrong, we were clearly wrong on 2 trades here, but as you can see, it didn't hurt us too bad. We only lost 2 ticks on each trade, and that gives us the confidence to just keep taking these signals as they fire. Here we got the signal that finally paid off and made up for these 2 stop outs. So, you know, it is a conservative approach, and you know, that's one thing that I love about it is the you know, the trade management that comes along with it, and we'll get more details to that in the trading plan. Right around 2:30 we did get a signal to go short. First target was hit, no follow through to the downside, lost 2 ticks. This trade, you know, it's one of those ones you look back at the end of the day and you wish you could have grabbed, but the signal was there. We actually had our order. It was hit to the tick twice, no fill, even though our order was sitting there, and so that trade would have taken full profit obviously, but we didn't get a chance to get in that one. So for today we had 9 trades, busy day for 27 ES ticks. Thanks for watching. For more details on this plan, including chart setups, or to join our free daily chat room and video newsletter, please visit www.eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.